Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is 32-inch Samsung LED TV. You can see here the model number also. UA32N4200AR XXL. And here you can also see the version number also. Friends, this is the adapter of that. Now let's check what is the problem in this TV. Now I am going to connect the adapter. Let's connect the adapter. Friends, look at this display. This is clearly indicates that this is one of the display problem. Friends, you can see here full display showing vertical bars. By seeing this vertical bar issue, we can conclude that this display is having some voltage missing problem. So let's see what happened. Friends, now I open this back cover. Here you can see this is the motherboard of this TV and this is the display. Friends, here you can see the display number and this is the level shifter IC and this one is DC to DC IC. This is the scalar board. Friends, now let's check all the voltages is present or not in this scalar board. Let's connect the adapter. Now TV gets on. First check the display input voltage. Yes, 13.2. It is present. Then VGL voltage minus 6 volt. This is also okay. Then VGH voltage. This is also okay. Then VCOM voltage 5 voltage. This is also okay. Then AVDD 15 volt. This is also perfect. Then half AVDD HAVDD. Yeah, this is also correct. Friends, in this scalar board all the voltages is present. And near to level shifter IC you can see STVP. This is also present. Friends, in this scalar board all the voltages are present. This scalar board is generating all the voltages. But now we have to check the gate cough. Is there any voltage missing in the gate cough? We have to check that. The gate cough is placed at the side of the display. For that we have to remove the front frame. Then we have to remove the display. Remove the front frame like this. So that we can check the gate cough voltages. Friends, after opening the front frame, I removed the display. Here you can see this is the gate coughs. There are 3 gate cough are there. But I noticed one thing. Here the source cough is burned. You can see here. The edge of the source cough is burned. You can observe here. Wait a minute. Yeah. Due to this burning of source cough, there is a voltage missing in the gate cough. So then I cleaned this burned area. After cleaning of burned area, I tested the voltage of gate coughs. there are many voltages are missing. We can repair that by jumping the voltage from the scalar board. But in our case there are 3 to 4 voltages are missing in the gate cough, so it is difficult to connect 3 to 4 wires from the scalar board to gate cough. So then I rejected this display. So the last option to repair this TV is replacement of new display. So this is all about my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.